Look at this cone. How many scoops of ice cream are there? Just one scoop, vanilla flavor. Yes, that's number 1. 1 scoop of ice cream. Oh wow, now there are more scoops. Can you count them? 1, 2, 2 scoops. Correct, that's number 2. 2 scoops of ice cream. The cone is getting taller. How many scoops do you see? 1, 2, 3. 3 scoops. Wonderful. That's number 3. 3 scoops of ice cream. Careful, the cone is very high. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 scoops. Yes, number 4 means 4 scoops of ice cream. Look at this rainbow cone. How many scoops are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 scoops. Excellent. That's number 5. 5 scoops of ice cream. Wow, the cone is so tall now. Count carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 scoops. Correct. Number 6 means 6 scoops of ice cream. Can the cone hold this many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 scoops. Yes, that's number 7. 7 scoops of ice cream. Look at all the colors. How many scoops? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 scoops. Wonderful. Number 8 means 8 scoops of ice cream. This cone looks super tall. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 scoops. Correct. That's number 9. 9 scoops of ice cream. Wow, the biggest cone of all. Let's count every scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 scoops. Amazing. That's number 10. 10 scoops of ice cream.